It's Angie B and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be finally showing you my results from the 30-day rice water challenge. So if you're interested in seeing my results, then keep on watching. Okay, so getting straight into the video, let me address it. First of all, yes, I'm not wearing makeup. I've been doing my hair. I'm tired. I've got no time to do my makeup. I just wanted to show you these results. Secondly, I know it's been like almost 2 months since I posted my 1 month rice water challenge and I haven't posted my results. That is because I was on vacation and I left the country for about 3 weeks. I wasn't doing any of the rice water. I didn't take any rice water with me. I didn't make any while I was out, and yeah, so I thought it wouldn't make sense for me to come back and be like, hey, this is my 1 month rice water challenge video when I wasn't even doing it. I just did it for like a day after I did the video that went up. Then after I came back, I did it. I've done rice water in my hair about 3 or 4 times, so I feel like now I can do a more justified rice water reveal. For my results, I think I have got great results. My hair feels softer, shinier. It definitely has grown a lot. I know lots of people in my last video were like, oh, your hair looks the same as before. Like, hey, I saw the difference in the mirror. If you don't see the difference, that is cool. It's all up to you. This is just my results. If I see a difference, whether I'm imagining it or not, this time, believe me though, there is a difference. Because when you notice it yourself, you know, because it's your own hair, so you know that you can tell the difference even if it's just like a tiny bit of growth. But when other people start to notice that your hair is growing, then you know it's actually grown, like a big noticeable difference to other people. So even when my hair has been in braids, lots of people have been commenting like, oh, your hair looks much longer now. So it definitely has grown. So I don't want to waste anyone's time. If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that big subscribe button. It'll be linked right down there. It is free. Also click the bell icon, which just ensures that you guys get notifications every single time I post a video. Also follow me on my social medias, which is angiebeepr with 3 underscores on Twitter and Instagram. They will be linked in the description box below. Without further adu, let's get straight to the measurement. So I'll measure this side, and then we'll see what the hair growth is like. I feel like before I had lots of sections in my hair where I had like some long pieces, like longer pieces, but now I think just in general, my hair is just overall way longer. The hair is here. Do you guys remember I did my big chop just a few months ago? And it definitely wasn't here. Okay, the side. Twist it so it can, I think it's the same length as the other side. If you guys think this hair looks the same length again, like y'all are crazy, I'm sorry. This hair is way longer. Collectively, like, are you seeing this? Let's see around the nose. I remember the last time for sure it was right on the tip of my nose and it didn't seem to grow. Like the second time I measured it, even after the 10-day rice water challenge, it was still just at the tip of my nose. I saw even a few people were like, why did you cut off the nose measurement? I think I mentioned like I think it was exactly the same. So now it's grown up to my lip. It is right there. So you see it is now past my lip. My hair is definitely growing. I'm very excited. Let me know if you'd like me to try any other challenges like the castor oil challenge, some different type of rice water challenge. And also I have been getting a lot of questions about how I make my rice water cloudy, because in my video I did mention that I didn't know before, and most of the time, including when I used to make my rice water a long time ago, it would just be like slightly like translucent, like it just had a little bit of a white film to it, but it wasn't like opaque where you couldn't see through, and now it's like completely cloudy. I did film a video on that, so that will be coming next. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment if you're interested in seeing that video, and I'll definitely post it next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.